Hello everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. This is a tutorial, a Capcut tutorial for beginners. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So when you click on Capcut, when you open the application, this is what you're gonna see first. Here you'll see all the projects you worked on, and you can click on it if you want to open one. You can also sign in. You can also change the list or grid, feedback, and settings. From here, from settings, you can select where you like to save projects. Also, if you want to allow deleted cache and cache size, you can also delete it and clean. It will actually help you to increase the performance. If the cache size is really large, then it's recommended to delete the cache size. This is the edit. You can set some presets here, frame rate, time code, and also performance. This is very important to enable render interface with GPU, so please enable it. And you also have language. You can change the language. Now let's select the project, and here let me delete this first. And here on this part we have here the media, the audio, the text, stickers, but we also have usually here you'll see properties. So if I select this video, here you will see the properties of this video. But if I select, let's say I'll add a text. That's how you add a text. Go to text, and here they click on add to track. Now I have a text here. If I click on text, I'll see here on this side properties for text. And what I can do here is just increase the size and just play with the properties with changes. Can change. And also you can click on the video. Here I can change the properties, the video, scale, blend. You have a lot of options here. But yeah, if you want to add text, just go to text and click on it. If you want to add audio, from here you can add music, sound effects, but you can also click on media and click on imports, and from import here you can add your own sound, as I did right here, and grab it and drag it in the timeline. And here you have audio. And if you want to split a video, you need to click on this icon, and you can drag it, this tool, where you want to add a split, and click on this icon, and now you split the video. But you can also use the shortcut, which that's what I do. That's what I usually do. I just use the shortcut, Control B shortcut. Or if there's this, I need to split a lot, I need to cut a lot, it's just much faster to use the split tab. So press on B, or you click on select split, and from here now we have this line, and now I can add split, a lot of cuts, a lot of cuts, very fast. If you don't want the cut, if you want to undo, just click on this. Now we can undo and redo from here. And let's say you want to add some let's go back to the select tab. Let's say you want to add some properties to scale the video. So just select the video, and from here you can scale. As you can see, increase, scale the video, increase the size, decrease. You can also from here, I think, which is much faster, you can also play from here. As you can see, it moves. But why doing it this way when doing like this, it's much faster when you grab the video, when you increase and decrease, change the size. I think it's much faster this way. Can also rotate a video from, you can do it from here as well. And here we have blend, and you can blend two videos or image with a video. And if you want to stabilize the video, there's a lot of shakings. If there's a lot of movement in the video, you can stabilize the video by clicking on checking the stabilize. Turn this on. Now if you want to separate the audio from this video, extract the audio from this video, right click on the video that has the audio and click on separate audio, or you can also use the shortcut Control Shift S. And here we have the audio. If you want to mute the video, just drag this bar all the way down, or you can also increase the volume or decrease the volume. When I increase or decrease, you can see this bar changes. You can also fade, like if you want at the beginning of the video, you want slow, it starts very quiet and then it's increases the volume. You can also add fade in and fade out. You also use some noise reduction if you want, and also speed, which is very important. It's pretty useful. You can add speed, make this the audio, and also the video. You can add speed to the video as well, but you can add audio as well. You can go to the speed tab, and here you can speed the video as well. And you can also add adjustments. You can increase the shadow contracts from adjustment panel. And if you want to add transitions, just click on this tab, and from here you can add transitions. It's pretty simple. You also have social, slide, mask, social effects. Just grab the effect and drag it right where you split the video. So let's split a video, Control B, split a video here, as you can see. I have, okay, and here let's just add this effect. You can increase the duration from here or from here. If you want to add stickers, you can add stickers from here. Just grab the sticker and add it where you want. Transitions, filters, you can also add filters. They are pretty cool. You can add this filter, drag it over the video, and now we have the filter. And you can also add December clear. You can add filters. Select the filter if you want to change the properties. You can make the timeline bigger as well. You can make it bigger from here. You can also detach it. As you can see, you can also detach the player, which is pretty useful. And now if you want to zoom in, what you can do is to go select the video where you want to zoom. Now I like to zoom to start from here. Now I like to zoom to this cat. So just check, we need to add some keyframe, and here the zoom will start from here, and I want to make it really fast. So I'll drag it really close to the, I'll add another keyframe really close to the first one, which will make it, will make the zoom very fast. And now I'll zoom, and the keyframe, it will be added automatically, as you can see here. And now from here, as you can see, let's play the video. As you can see, zoomed in. Now if you want to delete a video, just right click and click on delete. You can also copy if you want to duplicate a video. Let's say I want to duplicate this video. I can use the shortcut Control C, Control V, and now I duplicated the video. Or you can also right click and select here paste, right click, paste, right click on the, or not on the video, and then paste. You can undo as I said before. And if you want to add captions to your video, what you can do is to go to text and click on auto captions and click on create, and it will create an captions for your video automatically. So I can show you that. Click on create, wait now. And now I have captions, as you can see here. You can increase the captions from here, or you can click on caption, click on one of this, and from here you can increase the size from here or here. Change the style, color as well, and we also have preset styler, preset style. Okay, well, spacing, position, and size. You can change the position. You can change the font size or the position or scale. You can also add backgrounds. Okay, we can add backgrounds and many others like shadow. If you want to add effects to your title, from here you can add effects, and we can add something bubble, which is like a template. You can also add animation to our video, to our text. Let me resize. Okay, and we can also add animations, which are pretty cool and very easy to use. Okay, this in animation, or we can add a loop animation, which will not stop. I like this one, so you can see. There's many animations. Now if you want to turn on proxies, what you have to do, it's pretty easy. So just go to modify and then go to performance, and here in performance enable proxies, and you can set the resolution. If there's a video that you're working on, a project, and there's a lot of details, you can go with 720p or 540p, which is for better performance. If you don't really necessarily need to look at a video, or the video is like pretty detailed, and then whatever, just from here you can select the resolution, and you can turn on proxy. As you can see, your proxy turned on. And if for some reason you like to see you want, and you're the type of person that wants to use the shortcuts in the editing software, what you have to do is just to click on shortcut, and from here you can check all the shortcuts, and it's very actually effective when you're editing a lot, and it takes actually less time, obviously, because you're using a shortcut. So it's very productive to use shortcuts. So as I said, if you want to use shortcuts and check shortcuts, just click on the shortcut. That's pretty much it. And if you want to, and if you're looking to freeze a frame, what you have to do is to click on this icon and then select which frame you like to freeze. I'll go this at this this time, right? So click on this freeze, this button freeze, and now we freeze this frame, right? As you can see. And if you want to mirror, you can do it as well. From here you can rotate or crop. If you want to crop, you can freeze a frame and then crop the video, and then you can play with this, and then you can grab it and drag it over this video, and here you can add, let's say you want to zoom in, and you can show people like this is a really important part. If you want to highlight some part of the video, freezing this option to freeze some frame and then drag it on top of the video, it's pretty useful. And you can also add effects and transitions, as I said, and you can also create or add local captions. And for those that want to track a person, something, an object, you need to select the video and then go to tracking, and from here you can track. Okay, let's say I want to track the cat, and now click on start, but I don't have really a tracking here. That is not available for this type of video. Like, the cat is not even moving, first of all. But yeah,